Right now I'm on Beach Road. It's real spooky out here, still in search for the JAWNS. Going to Walker Street. I'm snacks. I don't know what's happening right now. All right, excuse me, fellas. Nice to meet y'all, fellas. Nice to meet y'all, fellas. I don't know what these niggas talking about, but I'm about to go to Walking Street because that's where the JAWNS said they was gonna be at. So we're gonna see. What these niggas talking about? These niggas having a whole deep conversation. They left Guapo out the conversation. Salute to the good fellas. Facto. Be Suelz, you hurt? Oh. Ooh. Let me. Where y'all going? What? Damn, that's a thick John across the street. Y'all can see her? She right there.
Flag the fucking bot what's down. How they turn that money right there? We probably working.
They don't give Shorty over there got the cake, son. I ain't gonna hold y'all.
Who that man? That man got cake, son? I guess a man. Hey, son, that man got cake?
Yo,
that cake you like?
This is from my YouTube. This is unedited. Why
that cake like Debbie's?
Why you do I posted this shit too. Not the little Debbie's.
Debbie.
Not the Debbie's. That's crazy.
That's what she
I'm about to call her ass over here. Come hang out with me, baby. I don't feel like searching no more. Yo, J Money, we went from 2 3s.
Yo. There we go. Got it.
All right, hopping on this John. Look, my big brother pushed me out the way. He be acting like he don't like me and shit.
I don't like you, but I
nigga love me, you heard? Fact though. So we went from 2 threesomes to no hoes. Hold on, let's
Yeah.
We went from 2 threesomes to no hoes.
Bros with no hoes?
Bros with no hoes. How the good fellas ain't got some good? That's crazy. And then J Money got me in the bar negotiating with niggas, snoozing niggas. Niggas was confused and shit. Had to walk away. That was the final trick. He's supposed to come back like, okay, let's do something. He ain't come back.
That was a big bottle. If you'd have gave it to you for that album, you just robbed.
I'm from New York.
Why is there no liquor stores down here though?
Never trust grimy ass New Yorkers.
Oh yeah, liquor is free. Liquor.
Alright, we're going to Walker Street. We're going to get
because it's 10,000.
Alright, man, I'm making a vlog. We gonna
No, but think about it though. To say that it's bar culture.
I'm gonna leave this video. We gonna get we gonna do. Holla at us. Good fellowship. Back though.
It's a bar town. Oh, bars everywhere.